Hi mga Palangga, Viboy here, your Palangga vlogger, and welcome to another vlog! Today's video, what I'll be doing is I'm gonna do a makeup video. I know you guys miss me doing my makeup. So for today's video, I was actually trying to check all my makeup box and trying to think of what I will be doing for today. So dahil meron nga ako nakita mga Fashion21 products, I decided to make a review or a full face Fashion21 makeup tutorial. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button down there. Also, if you want to be notified every time I have a new upload, make sure to click that notification bell. And without further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, so before anything else, lalagyan lang ako ng hair clip dito sa buhok ko para hindi siya maging magulo at hindi ko ng love life. So, there you go. First things first, what I'm going to use is this Aqua Moisturizer from IY Korea. It deeply hydrates with non-greasy formula. So I'm gonna put some here on my fingertips and apply all over my face. I'll let it dry for just a few seconds. After putting on your moisturizer, I have here the foundation. So these are these Perfect Stick foundation from Fashion21. It has SPF 50 and I've got 3 shades. The warm tea, the almond, and the milk tea. So these are the shades that I have. Look at that. I think I'm gonna use the almond. There. I'm gonna use this one. What I like about this foundation is that sobrang bilis niyang i-apply. I'll be using a brush to blend it. You might be wondering how much is the price. It's only 195 per stick. And I'm gonna be using this brush to blend. Alright, so there you go. I'm done blending the foundation. And look at how clean my face is. Oh my god, it has medium to full coverage. And it's buildable. So after putting on your foundation, next is the loose powder. So I'm gonna set this foundation with this loose powder from Fashion21. I've got 2 shades, the number 1 and number 4. So this is my all-time favorite. The shade number 1, it's kind of like the banana powder. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Make sure my foundation sets well. And mind you guys, this is only 435 pesos. And I'm gonna be using this shade number 4 on my under eye and on the T-zone as well. I'm done putting on the loose powder, so I'll just let it sit on my face. I'll go ahead with the contour. Dahil nga wala akong Fashion21 contour, I'll be using this one from Vice Cosmetics. I have their Aura Contour in the shade Confirm. I'm gonna use this angle brush. Dahil wala nga rin akong eyebrow pen, I'll be using this one from L'Oreal Infallible. The Infallible Never Fail Eyeliner. It's in the shade Black Brown. And I'll be using this brush to blend this. I'm done putting on my eyebrows, and next thing that I'll do is just to clean that out. And I'll be using this cream from Naturector. I'm done putting on the concealer, and after that I will just set that with a powder. So for the powder, what I will be using is the one from Fashion21 as well. This is the Fashion21 pressed powder with cucumber extract in the shade number 1. I'll be using this brush. What I have to do next is to put the eyebrow mascara. That is also from Fashion21, and this is what I'm saying. This is the Fashion21 eyebrow gel. It says it's smudge proof, and the shade is copper brown. I'll just apply it on my eyebrows, going up to make it look natural. This goes on the other side. After that, I'll start putting on the colors on my eyes. So for the eyeshadow, dahil wala nga rin akong Fashion21 na eyeshadow palette, baka naman Fashion21 gusto nyo may sponsor, or you can put me on your PR list. I would love to do the review of your products. So instead, what I'm going to use is this Beauty Glaze palette, the Perfect Neutral. It says it's ultra pigmented shadows. So what I have to use is, I'll try to use a different shade. Yun hindi ko pa nagamit. I'm gonna be using this Biz and just apply all over my eyes. After putting on the Biz, I'll use this next shade. This is the Clay. I'm gonna start putting that in here. I'm gonna try to use this one shade Peachy. It's the glittery thing. I'm gonna put that here on the inner part. You know what, guys, whenever I put glitter on my eyes, I love to use my fingertips because it's more pigmented. And I'll try to use this one, this Muse here. There it is. I'm done with my eyeshadows. After that, I will be using this Fashion21 liquid eyeliner. It says it's water resistant, and this one is only $435. I'm done with my liquid eyeliner. I'll just let it dry and I'll start putting on my false eyelashes. So for my false eyelashes, what I'll be using is this one from Dingsen. This is the Dingsen eyelashes. This is the Y42. What I like about this eyelashes is that it's so intense. It is so dramatic when you put it on your eyes. So I'm gonna start putting on my eyelashes. I'm done putting on my eyelashes. After that, I'll try to use this black eyeliner from Attribution and apply it here. I'll just brush up all the powders on my face using this brush. And I'll also use this Fashion21 press powder on my under eye just to brighten it up. And here as well. After that, I'll start putting on my nose contour. I'm going to be using the shade. And I'm also going to be using this highlighter from this palette and apply it here on the tip of my nose and here as well. Also going to be using the same highlighter on here. After that, I'll be using this lipstick I got from Fashion21 as well in the shade Cashmere. Alright, I'm done putting on my lipstick, and after that I'll be using the of course this lip gloss from Fashion21 as well in the shade Cherry, and this is only for 39 pesos. See how affordable it is. Alright, so this is my look for today, so I'll just fix this hair. Hold on. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng wig, guys. Okay na po. So, maglalagay lang ako ng earrings. This is my final look for today, so let me give you some of my thoughts about this Fashion21 products. First thing that I applied is the stick foundation. What I like about that foundation is that it sets well on my face. It has different tones, which is perfect for Filipino tones. It also has medium to full coverage. And what I really like about that foundation is that sobrang bilis siya guys i-apply. Especially pag, let's say for example, pag nagmamadali ka mag-makeup. Next thing is the loose powder. It's actually my favorite loose powder ever. That's what I'm using with my clients. And every time I do my makeup. What I like about that is the shade is perfect for my tone. The shade number 1, it blends well with your foundation as well. Kung kahit anong foundation pa ilalagay mo. The eyebrow gel is also nice. Because feeling ko kasi parang tinatago niya yung buhok. Tapos pag nag-picture ka, hindi masyadong dark yung shade ng eyebrows mo. As well as the liquid eyeliner. It's actually my favorite liquid eyeliner ever. because it's water resistant and it's affordable. It's only 435 pesos. The lipstick is also good. Look at that. Plus the lip gloss. It's really affordable. Fashion21 products is actually perfect for those who are starting their career as a makeup artist, to the fact that it's very affordable and sobrang pagkakatiwalaan talaga siya, guys. Makikita niyo naman, no? Look at that. I think that's it for my look today, and I hope that you learned something. And before I end this video, I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who have been supporting me on my YouTube journey. Now we are on 1,300 something, 1,387 subscribers, I guess, and almost gonna be reaching the 4,000 hours, and I'm so happy, and I hope you guys continue to support me. Also, invite your friends to visit my channel. Let's spread natin yung love with every Filipinos in the world. So, yun guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below which part of the vlog is your favorite, which part of the look is your favorite, and also click the subscribe button down there and share with your friends, your family, your kapitbahay, lahat na lang i-share you girls. And also, if you want to be notified every time I have a new upload, make sure to click that notification bell para maging updated kayo guys. And again, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see ya on my next vlog. Bye!